In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could factory reset a MacBook Air 2017. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process works pretty much the exact same way as resetting an iPhone. So if you've ever done that before, this is going to feel really familiar. But begin by actually going up to the top left corner, clicking on the little Apple logo right here. Then scroll down on this page to see System Settings and open it up. Once you're on your System Settings, go ahead and stay on this little General tab. It should automatically put you on it. If not, click on it, scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset. And then from here, go ahead and select Erase All Content and Settings. Your Mac will now ask you for a password, so go ahead and enter that in to continue. And after that, you'll be on a screen explaining that all your settings, your media, your apps, and data are going to be removed from this Mac. Take a second to review everything listed so you know exactly what's being erased. And whenever you're ready, hit continue, follow the on-screen prompts, and your MacBook will begin the factory reset process automatically. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can reset a MacBook Air 2017. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.